Hey everyone.
Hi.
I figured I would bring you along with me and Charlie Kate while we feed the worms, and I want to show you what the soil looks like and what we're feeding them. So let's take a look at them and see. Guys, here is the food that I'm feeding them. I've got some coffee grounds in here. I blended up some beet leaves, some turnips. I've got some blended eggshells in here. And I have some cornmeal all mixed up into this. And this is what I'm going to feed them. Let me look at this soil. Where it's just, look, we need to go through it.
I saw one when Daddy was here. Mommy, I saw one when Daddy was
You
here.
saw a worm?
Yeah, when Daddy was here.
Oh, okay. Now let's look and pull this back and see. Look at that worm in that cardboard. That paper right there. See it?
I can't see.
Okay, wait, can't charge. Now, be careful. Look at all the worms, y'all. So we use this worm castings. We gather the worm castings to do in our plants.
I see the one.
Okay, guys, I'm fixing to pull this back. Oh. See, it's still got like some cornmeal that hadn't completely been ate. But look at the
I saw one.
Look, see that? Look at that big, huge slug in my worm bed. That is exactly what, it's so full. Look at that. It's been feasting off my worms. Well, where's the chickens? I'm gonna feed it to the chickens. Here, chick, chick, chick. Chick, 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 come on.
Tick, tick, tick. Where are you?
Well, I want to make sure they eat it. How about this? I'm just going to kill it so that way I'll know. So we're going to have to go all through this worm bed to get slugs out. It's horrible. Look, see? They still got some of the cornmeal, but you can see the eggs. But them slugs is gonna eat all the worms.
I saw one.
Yeah, because I think we already have some worms.
I saw the ant and
Some
we
worms
rabbled
missing.
There. What?
Mm-hmm.
What's missing?
Some worms. We've got some worms definitely missing. I'm pretty sure as big as that slug was, he's been feasting on them. So I'm gonna dump all this.
Tell the what
The slugs,
no
the worms.
yeah,
What you want me to tell the worms?
we got these.
Oh, this food? Well, they'll smell it and they'll come. But it's not the worms I'm worried about. It's them slugs.
Yeah, and me. I'll get that to work.
That was a huge slug, people.
Yeah. I see.
Yeah, we had way more worms than this. We would turn this over and it was just by the globs.
Don't be whales.
Full.
That has failed.
The hay fell.
Yeah.
It's just full of worms. And I cannot believe that huge slug. Look.
Oh, I have that. Why it have that?
Why does it have dirt? Because the worms, they eat this food and it's got manure and stuff in here, and they compost it and break it down, and then we get this soil.
Oh. Oh, Mommy. Where we going to work, Mommy?
I see some eggs in here. Eggs. I keep saying eggs. I mean worms.
Worms? Don't eat the worms.
Oh, yeah. We have taken a big hit. The slugs have definitely been feeding off these worms.
Yeah, let's cover them up. That's cool, Mammy. Let's cover them up with
The worms is cold?
Yeah.
See, here's some leaves. It's like it's nothing over here. Yeah. Yeah, we don't have that many. I don't know. They could be a bunch in here. But, I mean, it looks like we've got some missing. It's got stuff over here that hasn't been composted and broke down yet. But it's got enough in here that we can go through and get the soil out of, the castings.
What is that?
Them slugs, people. Can't stand them little things. They will wipe out.
Yeah, and we never take one.
Yeah. Yeah. They eat your strawberry plants, your strawberries.
And we don't
It's got a little bit of worms over here, too. So, but I'm definitely going to have to let him know that we have slugs in the compost, in the worm bin.
Mammy,
So.
I like Papa worms.
You like Papa's worms?
Yeah.
Well, he's going to have to fix it, huh? The slugs is eating it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let me go let him know
Let me go with
that we got slugs in the worm bin.
Yeah. Yeah. I can know.
Tractor Supply just to look around and shop and see what we can find and what we can get. Look what I got. Guys, those chickens are 75 cents a piece. You see that little gray fluffy head with the black? I'm gonna get me one of those. Look at these solar lights. I am going to be putting those in my garden, and they're 20% off. So how about that? I got some thyme and some oregano, and I bought these to plant on that arch that I have going into my garden.
How many do you usually put in a box?
Hey, let me see.
Those are little, sir.
Look at
Hold
that.
the box for me.
Oh, it's cute. Look at that head.
Yeah.
And I got all the chickens they had with the big fluffy heads.
Fluffy head. Todd said they look like Rod Stewart.
Uh-huh. Guys, I wanted y'all to look at this chicken. That is one huge chicken. And I would like to have that thing in my garden or by my barn somewheres. Look at that one. See that one? Yeah. I don't know which one, but those things are $200. I'm just not quite ready to spend $200 right now on that. Look at that wind thing. I'd like to have that for my garden too. I'm acting like a kid in a candy store.
Place the product in an area where the panel can get at least 10 hours direct sunlight.
It's 20% off that
10
deal.
hours before first time with switching off. After fully charged in sunlight, push the switch to on.
People are looking at me strange. Okay, guys, let me move on. Look at Todd down there. Alrighty, I'm gonna let y'all go.